Hi guys, I hope all are doing good. So today in this session, let's see about the topic language and processor for requirement specification. So let's begin the session. First, let's see about the definition for language and processor for requirement specification. A number of special purpose language and processor have been developed and permit and concise statements. Our purpose is to provide a brief introduction to requirement specification languages and processor. So next, let's see what is PSL and PSA. PSL stands for Problem Solver Language and PSA stands for Problem Solver Analyzer. It was developed by Professor Daniel Tekro at the University of Michigan. They were originally developed for data processing application widely used in other applications. PSA system can provide reports in 4 categories. They were database modification reports, reference report, summary reports, and analysis reports. The PSL system description can be divided into several major system aspects. They were system input or output flow, data structure, data derivation, system dynamics, system properties, and project managements. Now, next let's see about RSL and REVS. The Requirement Statement Language RSL was developed by TRW Defense and Space System Groups to permit and concise. The Requirement Engineering Validation System REVS process and analysis RSL statements. The fundamental characteristics of RSL is the flow-oriented approach used to describe real-time systems. REVS consists of 3 major components. They were a translator for RSL, a centralized database, the abstract system semantic model, AS2M. AS2M is the relational database similar to concept of PSL and PSA. Automated tools for processing information in the AS2M include an interactive package, that is graphic package. Please note that graphic package is the specific flow path. REVS is a large complex tool, cost efficient and real-time system. It is a complex real-time system. So the RSL notation can be mutually applied to specify the real-time system characteristics. Now next let's see about SADT, stands for Structured Analysis and Design Technique. SADT was developed by D.T. Ross and colleagues at Softtek.inc. The SADT language is called the language of structured analysis. Data diagram specifies data object in the nodes and activities on the arcs. Now next let's see the activity diagram. In the specified activity diagram, the control flows specifies the input data, output data, processor and control data. Activity diagram inputs and outputs or data flows and mechanisms or processor control is data that is used but not modified. Source program interrupts data source. Source program computed result input data control, data processor and output data. The last system specified in LPR is structure system analysis. It is the specific technique for system analysis that covers all activities. It specifies the high-level design of the software system. The technique embodies 4 main concepts. They were data flow diagrams, a data dictionary, data store structuring, and process logic representation. The specified diagram in the slide shows information gathering tools as the source and data organization as the destination. In between specified modules or the controlling systems, they were the data flow diagram, decision tree, decision table, structured query, and pseudocode. The technique is intended primarily for use in traditional DP system development. Now let's see the summary of the video. The format and content of the software requirement specifications have been discussed in relational and state-oriented notation. Several notations and automated tool software requirements used describe some of the notations of SADT. Software requirement tools can be misused by unsophisticated users. So that's the end of the content, guys. I think you all enjoyed and get benefited by our videos, guys. As this is the last topic of our video, I would like to end up the session with an amazing quote. So work hard in silence, let success be your noise. This is Sharmila S signing off on behalf of team PS4 Software Chasers Changes Your Future. Bye bye, guys.